There's some coyotes down there too. It's a jungle. Coyotes are reacting to the owls. Okay, back to our video. Now this is a THRUNITE Catapult. This produces 2,836 lumens. I do have an extra battery for this. I don't know what's going on down there. Sounds like a squatch. This the battery in the THRUNITE will run 150 minutes. So I do have an extra battery for this I bought separate. The extra battery was about $30 and the flashlight I believe was around $80. And this is a very powerful flashlight. It's not a spot, it's more of a flood, but it does have a very long reach. It has a dimmer on it. You can see a little blue dot right here on the flashlight. That lets you know that it's on. And you can dim it all the way down or all the way up. Here we go. That's full power. You can see how far down the trail you can shine this. I have a little help tonight. I'm going to walk way down there, and my wife is going to shine the flashlight on me. And you can see how far the beam on this can illuminate. And we'll see how far that beam can shine. Here we go. Let's see how far you can see me down the trail. It's a pretty powerful beam. I'm not sure how far down there I walked. Maybe about 100 yards. It's still very blinding to the eyes. With almost 3,000 lumens, I can see anything that keeps bumping at night. I can instantly know what's sneaking around me. And hopefully you can hear the owl sounds down in the woods. That's definitely some creepy sounds. Lots of critters in the night here. Lots of wildlife that I haven't heard in a while. It's a very cool sound. Thanks for watching PH Timber Ghost. Hopefully you enjoyed our THRUNITE review. And I'll put some links in the description for the THRUNITE Catapult. And as always, thanks for watching PH Timber Ghost. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching PH Timber Ghost.